See, you have done for me more than eyes could see.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I created a look for Miss Lara. She came into the studio for a date night glam and wanted some glitters on her eyes. For this look, I used Motec HD pencil, classic primer, classic foundation, and classic clip stain. The glitters I used wasn't branded. I got it from a regular store. Please watch, enjoy. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe if you have not. Ciao.
You've been the one I could run to. Lord, you want my heart. I am yours for life. Search and search all of the earth. Lord, I found no one like you. No one does the great and mighty things that you do, Jesus. Your words are yes and amen. Adonai, what a mighty God you are. You're my mountain.
So guys, I'm sure you like what you see. If you want to book an appointment with me, please read the description below in the description box. I've got my phone number and my WhatsApp number written there. Also, if you want to learn how to make up for yourself, or if you want to start a career in makeup, please contact me via WhatsApp or call the number below. See you some other time.